In previous class, we discussed that Deity is a Sachidanandized form, and sometimes Prabhupada says that somebody sees the Deity as a stone. Somebody sees the Deity as a stone.
Somebody sees Deity as a stone.
It appears as a stone. So, what exactly happening?
What exactly is?
Because the Deity is a Sachidanandized form, how it can appear as a stone? Somebody sees as a stone.
No, if somebody sees only the stone, there are three ways of seeing the Deity. One is what your eyes show you, a stone. I don't see anything else, just stone. Correct? That is, he is seeing only the matter energy in the Deity. Matter energy. Now another person, he understands that this is a Archa Vigraha. He understands the principle that the Lord has taken a form similar to this Deity form, and he enters the matter energy. When he enters the matter energy, Lord never comes alone, but he comes with all his Shaktis. All that Shakti will energize the matter body. So it is no longer matter body. It is God Himself. So this is, one person saw the matter body, the other person sees the matter, but he sees the matter, but he sees this matter is fully empowered. His full powers are there. All Shakti is there in this. It's as good as the Satchidananda Vigraha. But matter energy, but the Deity of the body is Deity of the body. The body of the Deity is Satchidananda-ized energy. It's pure spiritual energy with all Krishna Shakti inside. Now the soul of the Deity is the incarnation of the Lord, who is come in the same form, who has taken a form resembling the Deity. He is inside, he is Satchidananda Lord. Okay, so Satchidananda Lord is residing in that. Satchidananda Lord's body is now as good as God, because it's the energy of the Lord. Correct? See, just like you take a pure devotee, you know, you go and touch his feet. When you go and touch his feet, you're not thinking that you're touching matter's feet. You're touching a fleshy, you're not thinking. You're touching his feet. You're thinking. Even Prabhupada, when you touch his feet, Prabhupada is also not thinking, I am not this body. Yes, he is offering his feet to be touched. For an ordinary person, he is in illusion, I am not this, I am this body. Even an ordinary conditioned soul he is allowed to have an experience that he is this material body. So why can't God have that experience, absolute experience, that I am that body? Right? Therefore, the Deity, the body of the Deity should not be seen any way different. He is God Himself. God Himself. So there is no difference. That's why the matter is vanished. No more matter there. That is the way we should see the deity. No more matter there. Only God is there. When it comes to rasa. When it comes to tattva, yeah, its spiritualized body is there. Satchidananda Vigraha is there. Incarnation of the Lord. You have to become purer to perceive. Next level is, first is ordinary matter. Next is, with Shraddha, it is not ordinary matter. Then you are worshipping that deity, then you get purified. Once you get purified, then your spiritual mind is awakened. Only when your spiritual mind is awakened, you can see Satchidananda deity. Correct? So that is, it takes purification. By purification only you will see the full dimension of the deity, you can see only on purification. Full dimension of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you can see only after, you can experience only after purification. So it's step by step you have to purify.